Welcome. In front of me is a REALME C25s, and today I will show you how you can bypass the Google verification on this phone. So you can obviously see that the phone I have right here is locked using PIN, or well, pattern in this case, and Google account once it shows up right here. There we go. So for the bypass, we're gonna need to do one thing, which is pop in a SIM card with a PIN on it. And you don't even need to know that PIN. So there we go, I'm gonna get my little thing popped out. There's my SIM card. So insert it in. It gives me a PIN, so that's fine. Pop it out. It stays on the lock screen, gives you this notification. And from here, let's see, I think we need to drag it down. Yep, there we go. So drag it down, then select settings. Okay, scroll down to additional settings. Scroll again down to backup and reset. Erase all data, factory reset, and erase all data. And erase all data, and tap on that once again. Once you do so, it will go through the factory reset, which takes, on this phone, a little bit, I think more than 5 minutes. So I'm not gonna really go through it on the video, but once you go through it, you'll be back in the setup screen, at which point the device will be fully unlocked. So you can just finish up the setup however you want. So there we go. That's basically how you bypass the verification on this phone. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.